morning guys, this is the Kitchen Fairy, and today I am not gonna make anything for this evening breaking fast because did an experiment making fermented glutinous rice that the Indonesian called it as tape or tapai ketan. I don't have my steamer at the moment, which I mentioned. Oh no, yeah, I mentioned it on the other video that I don't have a steamer. So, but I am missing steamed cakes for this fasting. So I tried it with my microwave. The other one, the Hulk, succeeded. So I gave a try for the fermented rice as well, and it worked. So this is using microwave as well. This is day 18, 30 days of Indonesia, where I share Indonesian baked goods, fried snacks, and steamed sweets for breaking the fast for 28 to 29 days. So this is day 18. Check out the full video. I'll see you soon. Bye. It seems ready. As you can see, some of the texture is soft and broken. So yeah, it worked with microwave. Yay! Now you can use this for baking or for icy dessert, or you can eat it as is. So this is 1 cup of black glutinous rice that I soaked it for a couple of hours, rinse and soaked for a couple of hours. I'm gonna drain the water and I'm gonna rinse it again, and we're gonna steam it in the microwave. Let's see if that's gonna work. So I added 2 cups of water into the bowl. We're gonna cover it with cling wrap, and we're gonna microwave it about 9 minutes or maybe less. I'm gonna try with 5 minutes first. So this will be my first try using microwave to steam this, to try to make the fermented black glutinous rice. The reason I'm using microwave is because I don't have my steamer handy, so I'm gonna try to steam it in the microwave. So we're gonna cover it with cling wrap and we're gonna microwave it for 5 minutes. This is 2 cups. If needed, if it's needed, you can add more water, obviously. So we want a tender rice that is not mushy into porridge. So it's covered with cling wrap. We're just gonna poke some holes for the steam to come out, and then we're gonna microwave it. So 5 minutes is up. I'm gonna add another 5 minutes, and so on. So in the end, it took me about 5 minutes time for time, so that will be 20 minutes, and it's tender, but you still have a little bit of liquid, so you want to strain them, and then we're gonna cool it to room temperature, like cool it completely before we add in the yeast. So this is tender enough and it's nice, but it's not mushy. Can you see? I hope so. The camera is not. There we go. So it's soft enough. So now it's on a strainer. We're just gonna cool it. So I have 1 bowl of yeast here. This is especially for fermenting cassava and also glutinous rice. If you don't have this, you can use Chinese rice wine yeast bowl. It will work as well, because I've done that as well. But this is an experiment of making it through microwave, right? So we're gonna see. So what you're gonna do is you just crush the yeast until it's nicely, and then we're gonna mix it with the steamed or cooked or microwaved glutinous rice. Sprinkle some
for the bottom of the container and just coat it, and now we're gonna get the glutinous rice. So place some of the glutinous rice and then sprinkle some with the yeast, and then top it again with glutinous rice, and then top it again with yeast, and so on, and then you mix it with spatula. This is the last layer of the glutinous. Just sprinkle it. Now we're gonna mix it with our spatula or wooden spoon. Just fold it here and there so that the yeast mixed properly with the glutinous rice. Now that it's mixed, we're gonna cover with lid and we're gonna ferment it for 2 to 3 days. Then we're gonna check back and see after 2 or 3 days whether it's becoming nicely or not. So what you want is a nice fragrant sweet smell, and the flavor also kind of sweet, and that your glutinous rice will be much softer. It worked with microwave. Yay! Now you can use this for baking or for icy dessert, or you can eat it as is.